From sophisticated soirees to riotous revelry, Green Tobago Tours presents 4 very different tours on Trinidad and Tobago's newest and largest glass-bottom boats. On this particular day, our adventure involves 4 contrasting trips on the Grand Millennium at 4 a.m. This customized adventure will be a light show that is the privately chartered bioluminescent tour, which in this case involves a witnessing of the most majestic of sunrises experienced from the viewpoint of a shallow nylon pool located far out at sea. As we approach midday, we will experience the family-friendly public 11 a.m. tour of the Buku Reef, Nylon Pool, and No Man's Land. Immediately after this peaceful and relaxing public trip, we turn things up just a bit with another public trip that has a bit more of a party vibe than the previous 2 tours. As sunset approaches, the previously slowly escalating party atmosphere will evolve into a full-scale West Indian-style fete of reckless abandon. Lastly, we embark on the second bioluminescent tour, which in this case will be open to the general public. If you would like to experience any of these 4 very different experiences on any of the over 2 dozen glass-bottom boats that Tobago has to offer, feel free to call or WhatsApp 1-868-750-8369 or 461-3133 to ensure that your next Tobago adventure is your best Tobago adventure.
We're going to see the 2 largest glass-bottom boats in Trinidad and Tobago, Island Vice and the Millennium, both of which are available for charter. Remember, just call. If you're calling from Trinidad and Tobago, 750-8369. If you're calling from an international number, that's +1 868-750-8369. We're going to do so much adventures. We're going to even do the dolphin watching tour, starting right here, fishing tours, starting right here, coastal tours, starting right here. We get to experience the bioluminescence 1 out of 3 ways. Sometimes you can combine the 3 ways all together. That is the tiki craft. You're going to see the tiki craft in a little bit, the largest glass bottom boat or the transparent canoes. Come, let's see some more. Oh. Original Winer Boy, Mr. Wild Rhino. Wild Rhino getting on Wild Rhino. Make sure I get my good side, eh? Alright. Yeah. Come to the house. Welcome to the back TV. Hello, man. Original. Yes, big manager. Frank Tours. The dog face big manager running things on Frank Tours. They go on the boat and see what he likes.